guys, it's me, Kelly Jo with Kelly Jo Designs by Wine. Well, it's only been about a week since we closed the doors to the public, but we miss your smiling faces quite a bit. What's given us great joy is seeing you guys come in here and get in touch with your own creativity, and also being able to provide a community space for everyone to gather. While we don't have that physical space right now, we still do have a community, and it's a challenging time for the entire world, but what we want to do right now most of all is make sure everybody's safe, and hopefully everyone's maintaining a level of creativity in their day-to-day life. Throughout my life, whenever things have been difficult, I have found painting to be very therapeutic and fun. So today I'm just going to demonstrate this really fun, iconically New Mexican Chile Ristra painting, and I'm going to give you a few little pointers along the way. Please note, I've been painting my whole life, so I paint very quickly. You do not need to expect to be able to paint this quickly, but hopefully you just have a little fun watching me and maybe even joining along. Okay, so having said that, I'm going to go ahead and get out my big brush and get going. I'm going to block in. I think I'll put this right here so you guys can see it better. I'm going to block in the adobe. There's no right or wrong with adobes because, of course, they're very organic. That's what makes them so special. I'm going to use my large flat brush. I'm just going to go ahead and go. Alrighty, I'm going to use my terracotta color, maybe a smidge of white, maybe a smidge of yellow. colorful Chile Ristra painting. I plan on checking back in with you again very soon. Please stay safe and give each other a big virtual hug.